find it helpful, I'm happy to do it. I just have to carve out time. They're trying to pin. Everyone wants to know the weight loss product. Yes, help weekly or bi-weekly. Nikki, can you?
Yeah. Do you want to pin it?
I don't. If you can pin it, do you know how to do that?
You have to do it. That has to be on yours.
Or just put it in.
Put it and then you can pin it.
Or Google the other ones. Tirzepamide. So there's 3 of them: Wegovy, Ozempic, and Tirzepamide. 3 times a week for people like me who are scared. That's funny. All right, Sasha Dira, we'll get you less scared. Love. Let's see. Love this. Thank you for taking the time. Okay, good. What is your favorite procedure to work on? Anything a patient is happy with. You're the man. I haven't had any work done, but I find it very interesting. Love, a teacher from Connecticut. Thanks. Thanks very much. It's kind of you, Nini the Ninja 33. Do you personally recommend lift with implants? Do you personally recommend lift with implants to retain or regain roundness? Everyone's asking about the weight loss. Right?
This one says tirzepatide.
Yeah, that's it. So it's Mounjaro. So there's Mounjaro, Wegovy, and Ozempic. So maybe get those 3.
And then go and
then just
it. And you have to pin the comment.
Yeah. Someone asked, what's one thing about your job that's stressful?
I don't think I have a lot of stress. I think there's challenges in my job, and the challenges are seeds for growth. So every time I'm challenged with something, I grow from it and I just get better. So I don't allow myself to get into that space. I think when I feel maybe like I'm going to get stressed, I just see it as a blessing and as an opportunity for growth. And then it just kind of, that emotion, it comes. Like the emotions are visitors. It comes and it goes. But I live in a world of non-resistance. A lot of stress comes from either not getting things done that are supposed to get done or just resistance. So if you master the art of non-resistance, the world will belong to you.
What's the third one you said? Tirzepatide, Ozempic, and which one?
And we go WEGO or GUVY, something like that. Do you specialize in petite BBLs? Yes, I do specialize in all BBLs. I've done a lot of petites. If you want to see some, send us a DM. And we'll reply with some YouTube videos on it. Gratitude, yes. Dr. McGee, I remember him from residency. Hey man, how do we get Ozempic? Everyone's like, it's like crack. Like, give me this weight loss drugs.
I can't pin it, but I commented it.
Yeah, just comment it. How long? Why are you skipping my question, Doc? I never skip anyone's question. One step Santa. Just ask me. If I missed it, I'm sorry. Forgive me. Let me see the question. I'm not going to skip anyone on purpose. Let me see. Let's see. What determines the need for tummy tuck versus lipo? Is it hanging skin? That's a big part of it. Fat? Yeah, it's the amount of skin versus the amount of fat. Most patients have extra fat, and if you have extra skin, it's usually from weight loss, age, or kids. Have you gotten any surgery at all? Or okay, I haven't had any surgery, no. Not yet. Okay. Okay.
What's your thoughts on fat transfer?
It works. If you wanted volume without an implant, do a fat transfer. It's very easy. I do it all the time. Hold down the comment and it will let you pin it. Okay.
Do you do double chin reduction and buckle removal?
I have. I don't do the buckle a lot, but I do the chin a lot. Can't wait to see you Thursday. It feels so amazing. You're magic. Thanks, Lala. Good to see you too. Can you do 360 after 2 C-sections? Yes. Honestly, you should spell out the weight loss medications. Everyone wants to know that. Your primary care can prescribe the weight loss meds. Yeah. Did you put them up, Nikki?
I commented them. You might just not get there yet. It's under your Instagram that I commented them.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's interesting. It's very people. I mean, there's a big demand for this stuff.
Oh, well, the Ozempic's huge right now.
They're all big. They work. Fat transfer, tummy tuck, and lipo. How can I get a quote? Send us a DM. We'll give you a quote. This thing's turned. Thank you for comment. Those meds. I'm sure everyone here appreciates it as well. You're the best. Thanks, Bella. Did you get? So they got it. Okay, cool. How about what's going on in YouTube? Let's not ignore YouTube, people. Do you add more? Or are we? I don't want to ignore YouTube. What's going on YouTube? Is anyone looking?
I can't.
Bueller. What? I don't, wait. Oh,
I'm trying to read it.
What does your wait list look like? It's about 3 months to 4 months.
Someone said more for YouTube. Someone else said.
Should you do a self-examination after breast augmentation, or should you go for a mammogram? Does it hurt? You're supposed to go for mammograms when you turn 40, or if you have some risk factors, you have to talk to your primary about that. You should do self-examination, I think, is the formal recommendation, but after a certain age, you need formal imaging. That's the answer.
Someone said, will breast lift with no implants eventually get roundish, or do they stay?
I think I answered that. It just depends on the way the lift was done.
Someone said stitches on buttocks after surgery. Is it okay for it to be taken out the next day?
Yeah, it's okay to be taken out the next day. Is it better to fly in for a consult or Zoom? It totally depends on what you're comfortable with, but we do a lot of Zoom. We do a lot of in-person. What is your preferred method for male chest enhancement? You just have to add fat. I don't do implants for male. LOABO corrects me.
Someone said, I want to get lipo 360 and I'm trying to avoid a tummy tuck. Will you let me know if my desired results can be done without a tummy tuck?
Yeah, of course. I have a high BMI. Can I get the results after procedure? You can. It just depends on your BMI. Is the quote the same if it's through Zoom or in person? Yes, it's the same in Zoom or in person. What's everyone doing today besides plastic surgery? Let's see. How many hours of surgery getting a 360 transfer arms? Was it arms and thigh lift?
Do you add more fat to breast on
4
request?
Do you add what?
More fat to breasts.
You add as much as you can. The tissue will only allow for so much expansion, so much stretching. So I add as much as I can to expand the tissue. Once you get to a certain limit, you just can't put any more in. That's when you stop. Penis enlargement. Huh, that's my friend. You know who that's? Eduardo.
Of course I know that.
Of course it's Eduardo. Hey, Eduardo. Only for you, buddy. You're going to be my first male penis enlargement. And we're going to put a lot of fat in there, get it really, really thick, and help you out with some length as well. So, penis enlargement. Is there any medical conditions that will disqualify us from getting BBL? Yeah, absolutely. Heart disease, lung disease, anemia. We may have to get your blood out. Transplants. Patients have called me with transplants. There's no way I'm doing this if someone's had a transplant.
Someone said, hopefully I'll be seeing you in 6 months for my tummy tuck.
Oh, thanks. I'll see you soon. Hi, Dr. Rahal. Hey, 6727 Gonza. Do you have any post-up on fat transfer to the breast? Yes, we do. Send us a DM. We'll send you some pics.
Every time I try to read that, my head gets in the way. No, see?
Can I combine tummy tuck, breast dog, and BBL? Yes, you can combine them all. How many hours of surgery getting a 360 fat transfer arms and thigh lift? About 6 hours. Come on, Nikki, help the doctor. Help the doctor. Don't fall asleep just yet. It's only 3 o'clock. Do you recommend skin tightening with 360? Yes, if it's an option, so we have to figure out if it's a good option for you. How long can you have breast implants before they're replaced? You can have them as long as you need to. I need a consult with you. I'm happy to do one. Is it easy process to have work done? Makes with wrinkles around there. I don't do stuff around the eyes. The only thing I would offer is Morpheus. So, how long is a fat transfer surgery? About 2.5 hours. When fat is transferred to already full breast, will it weigh them further down? It will weigh them further down if you put volume in. Absolutely, right? You can't put 300 cc's of fat without having them weigh more. Each cc weighs the same as a gram. How much is tummy tuck, DM? How long is the flex sculpt surgery? I'm not sure what that is. That's some gimmicky name for some random thing that people do, but it's...
Someone asked, what's the longest surgery you've done?
Longest surgery, I don't go past 8 hours in private practice, but I've done up to 23 hours in residency when we used to put hands back on if you had like a replant surgery.
Someone asked, can you do 360 around the upper legs and back lift?
You can, yes. I got implants in 2015. Can I do it again safely? Yes. What?
Someone gifted you some lovely diamonds.
Diamonds?
Yeah.
I thought, isn't diamonds are a girl's best friend?
I'll take them.
Well, thank you for the gift.
Shout out to Jerry.
Thanks.
Thanks, Jerry.
How do you gift a diamond?
I don't know.
It's like, so on TikTok, there's different things you can gift, and each one is like a different amount.
It's
That's
money?
all I know. I'm pretty sure, yes.
I got money on TikTok?
Yep.
Oh, thanks. That's kind
But yeah, it's like different things that you can...
You're amazing. I love your work. Can't wait to see you. Can't wait to see you too. Ravy baby. Which weight loss mag is the best to treat fat from PCOS? I'm not sure which one's the best. I'm not an expert in it. You would probably have to ask your primary care. What does it say? No obtiene muchos resultados para poner los brazos skinnier. You can lipo the arms. You get a good result from lipo of the arms for sure. You look like Dr. Abrams from Chicago Med. I don't know what that is. Good thing. When you lipo the neck, you kind of sculpt the clavicle. The clavicle? No, you don't come down here to the clavicle. When you do the neck, you just do the jawline here. But not the clavicle's down there. You're not going to get here. That's Patrick. That's good. That's great. I live in Houston. Would it be a problem to travel for surgery? No, we'd love to see you come travel for surgery. What should the calorie count be for someone who, after the BBL? That's a good question. You should keep your calories up, 500 above maintenance. I live in Houston. Would it be a problem to travel? No. TV show X, the one and only. Thanks. Oh, hey Lo, I haven't seen Young Lo in a while. Young Lo.
Someone wants to know, does skin tightening tighten a noticeable amount?
20-30%. It works. I did 360 with TT, but now the fat goes to my arms. What do I do? Lipo the arms and some portion control. I said it. How long is the recovery after a fat transfer to the breast? 1 week. Patra, you don't need to lipo down to here. There's no fat here. I had a C-section with my daughter. Can I still get a tummy tuck and reopen the same cut? You would go below it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, drop us a comment, give us a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.